Have you been outside lately? Those leaves sure are changing. Reminds me of that time we spent hours carving faces, making jack-o'-lanterns light up in the night. It's an image that's ingrained inside my mind. Well, that year spent waiting, walking empty pavement, I got by just fine, didn't notice what was vacant. Now the fallen leaves that echo out your name fill the space of you the same. I'm still falling out of love with you, and I'm heading for the door, not sure if I'll go through. Memories, they take so long to erase. Will they ever even start to fade? When the nights get cold, sometimes when I look over, I see you by a fire with your hands out in the open, and I wonder if you're singing autumn song, or if I'm singing all alone. I must be singing on my own. I'm still falling out of love with you, and I'm heading for the door, not sure if I'll go through. Memories, they take so long to erase. Will they ever even start to fade? I'm on my way, just not today.
I'm ready. Trouble, it knows my name. Trouble knows where I stay, and I'm living. Yes, I'm living. Tell me everything, tell me everything, tell me everything. Gonna be alright. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. Tragedy on its way. If tragedy came today, will we keep on keeping on? Worry don't do a thing. Worry won't steal my day. So I'm hoping and I'm praying and laughing and dancing. Tell me everything, tell me everything, tell me everything. Gonna be alright. Oh, tell me everything, tell me everything, tell me everything. tell me everything, tell me everything. Tell me everything, tell me everything, tell me everything. Gonna be alright. It'll be alright, it'll be alright, it'll be alright. It'll be alright. It'll be alright, it'll be alright, it'll be alright. It'll be alright. It'll be alright, it'll be alright, it'll be alright. It'll be alright. It'll be alright, it'll be alright, it'll be alright. There once was a lady in a polka dot dress with a basket on her head, filled with coconuts and cherries, ripe bananas and blueberries, and her lips were ruby red. All the people of the town would come and gather round just to listen to her song. With a smile she would say, it's such a lovely day, everybody sing along. Singing la-ti-da-ti-da-ti-da-da, said move like this. Singing la-ti-da-ti-da-ti-da-da, and shake your hips. Turn to the right, turn to the left, and do a little dip off. Everybody do the Señorita Twist. Then one day the lady in the polka dot dress with the basket on her head came by mi casa, and before she would pass her, this is what she said. Come out and dance, why don't you take a chance to feel the melody? If you have a frown, I can turn it upside down, just come and follow me. Singing la-ti-da-ti-da-ti-da-da, said move like this. Singing la-ti-da-ti-da-ti-da-da, and shake your hips. Turn to the right, turn to the left, and do a little dip off. Everybody do the Señorita Twist. Everybody, everybody do the salsa. Everybody, everybody do the rumba. Everybody, everybody do the cha-cha. It's fun, it's fun, it's fun, fun, fun. Todo el mundo hace la salsa. Todo el mundo hace la rumba. Todo el mundo hace el cha-cha. Vamos, vamos, vamos,